Welcome back to another MCC quick tutorial. Today we'll be going over our reliability data. Our reliability data is performance information from MCC's testing and audits, ensuring products meet the highest standards and are updated regularly for customer access. To navigate to our reliability data, simply select Quality, located on a navigation bar, and select Reliability Data. Here we can use the reliability data calculator to find the most recent reliability data and calculate the mean time between failure and failure in time. To use the reliability data calculator, enter the part number in the search bar. Then click Search. This will send you to a list of products matching the search criteria. Locate the product that you wish to use and select reliability data located under the View column. Once selected, you are now able to use the reliability data calculator for the part that you have searched. You can adjust the use temperature and confidence level to calculate the equivalent device hours, the mean time between failure, and failure in time. Explore MCC's reliability data and use that reliability calculator to support your next design decisions.